Imagine creating a high-quality video in minutes without any prior editing experience. Welcome to the world of AI video generators, where transforming text into impactful videos is just a few clicks away. These tools simplify video production, offering features like script-to-video conversion, customizable avatars, and multilingual support. AI video editing tools enhance video quality with options like trimming, rotating, cropping, and background noise removal. AI technology is transforming video narration with human-like AI voices, making training materials more engaging. Business leaders recognize AI as a tool that fosters creativity and drives economic growth. AI video generators streamline video content creation, allowing you to generate videos from text input effortlessly. The result? High-quality, engaging videos that captivate viewers and effectively communicate your message. Tools like InVideo and DeepBrain AI are game changers for creating marketing, advertisements, and educational content. AI avatars offer customization options like ethnicities, genders, outfits, and personas to align with your video's subject matter. Platforms like Canva and Pictory make it simple to create videos based on text or scripts. Advanced platforms like Synthesia allow users to add extra scenes, customize text, and even upload their own footage. Capwing's B-roll generator automatically captions your videos, streamlining the post-production process. Many tools offer free trials, allowing you to test their features before committing to a paid plan. With AI video generators, you can craft professional videos in significantly less time, reducing creation time from days to minutes. AI technology is advancing rapidly, enabling high-quality animated explainer videos to be produced in no time. AI-powered tools redefine video creation by producing editable, stylized video drafts in minutes. AI video tools support multiple languages, making content accessible to a global audience. AI-generated voices bring videos to life, improving viewer immersion and engagement. Join the new age of AI-driven video creation and transform your content creation process today. Create, engage, inspire.